Hello guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Now if you have not taken the time to do so already, do me a big favor and please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out a lot, and also let me know that you're liking the videos. Speaking of videos, go and take a look at some of our previous videos. You guys, I have videos on just about like every single topic, and we are actually expanding from there. But in today's video, let's talk about how to perfectly execute a blue bedroom. So before we get too deep into the video, please head on over to Facebook and join our Facebook group. And Then There Was Style. We are also on TikTok and Pinterest at the same name, And Then There Was Style, and we can just continue the dialogue and conversation over there. But now, let's get into the video. So here's a little pop quiz for you. Little bit of trivia. If you ask a group of people what their favorite color is, chances are a majority will answer blue. Did you know that blue, according to surveys, is the most popular color? I did not know that. I swear I did not. And it's even more of a star in the bedroom, thanks to its inherently soothing, tranquil vibe that helps people feel more peaceful and fall asleep faster. Bedrooms are one of those rooms that you just really want to feel relaxed and soothing, especially since so many Americans have issues sleeping. So from Tiffany to cobalt, turquoise, teal, it's safe to say that designers and home decor fanatics as well are mad about blue. The cool hue, renowned for its ability to really just invoke feelings of calmness, is a designer go-to for bedrooms. Now, while some people like the really muted hush shades of blue that conjure up visions of the sea and sky, other people prefer more attention-grabbing shades, so think like royal blue and turquoise, that really evoke nautical notes, especially when paired with snippets of really bright white. Gives you a really nice nautical theme. And let's not forget about the moodiest iterations of all, indigo and navy. Both hues pair effortlessly with neutrals like cognac, not to mention quasi-neutrals like leopard, and have a knack for making even basics like plain white bedding look magnificently richer. In today's main bedrooms, homeowners want to create a really peaceful retreat and escape from the outside world. Cool blue shades create the perfect backdrop for the main bedroom, as well as the main bathroom and dressing areas. Now in traditional bedrooms, deeper shades of blue create a stately backdrop for antiques and classic furnishings, as well as artwork. But a deep shade doesn't have to mean a dark shade. There are plenty of muted and pale tones of blue that really create a soft look for those who don't want a dark color on their walls. Consider a blue-gray or a gray with lavender undertones for a look that is both comforting and romantic, and of course soft. In an eclectic or contemporary bedroom, choose a brighter shade of blue, and then balance the look with window treatments and bed linens and white and gold tones. Pale blue with white accents, furnishings, and fabrics create a look that is both really crisp and comforting. Go just a shade brighter and you can create a relaxing tropical feel in your very own bedroom. A few other tips to keep in mind if you're planning to paint your main bedroom blue. Number 1, blue is a perfect color with which to mix shades or use the ombre technique, in which the color is graduated from light to dark or dark to light, depending on what your preference is. Number 2. Painting light blue on your ceiling gives the look of greater height. Remember, if you want your ceiling to appear taller, use a lighter color paint. And since in this video we are talking about the color blue, a good periwinkle or soft baby blue would be beautiful on your ceiling, as well as making the room look a lot taller. Number 3, paint just one wall in a bright or deep shade of blue for a color pop that really doesn't consume the room. Other walls can be painted dovetail gray, cream, or white, 3 shades that blend beautifully with the color blue. Number 4, navy blue or indigo paired with white can create a stunning and crisp contrast with more warmth than black and white combinations. Number 5, if a bedspread or comforter you love has blue in it, choose that specific shade for your walls. If it's a bright or very dark shade of blue, paint just one wall so the color doesn't necessarily just overwhelm or take over the room. Tip number 6. Blue looks great with furnishings in a wide range of wood tones, but it looks particularly elegant paired in white or cream. Alright guys, so as I do in every video, please take a moment to let me know what your favorite blue bedroom was of this video. Would you have a bedroom that is blue? It's so funny because I just did a video on very bold bedrooms, and in the video I was saying how a lot of people choose blue bedrooms because blue is a soothing or relaxing color, you know, yada yada yada. But I didn't want to seem like I was downplaying having a blue bedroom, because after really researching and making this video, you guys, there are some gorgeous examples of blue bedrooms out there. Oh, I kind of want to go blue in my bedroom now. I don't know. I still need to think about it. But what about you all? Let me know what you think. So I know that I've already asked you to comment your favorite blue bedroom down below in the comment section. If you want to know one that I was really drawn to, is this beautiful room right here. I love everything from the ceiling to that beautiful chandelier to that almost golden wooden frame bed, and of course this color blue. I think this is absolutely beautiful. As always guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.